Lauren, I'm Schuyler, and I'm here today with the Th1 immune response. If we're lucky, we might even catch it on film. First, we're going to start with the APC, or the antigen presenting cell, and the antigen. When it encounters the antigen, it then digests it and presents it on its MHC2. Oh look, I think I see it going on right over there. First, the APC sees the antigen, then it digests the antigen. Once the antigen is digested, it then presents it with its MHC2.
All the Th cells are the same because they all have TCR, CD3, and CD4. The only thing that makes them diverse is that they have different T cell receptors. Look, I think I see some over there. Let's go try to talk to them. So tell me about yourself.
Hi, all the Th1 cells think they're exactly like me just because we all have the CD4 and the CD3 and the TCRs, but I'm circular and she's totally triangular, so we're not the same. To show that some of the TCRs are different, you can see that sometimes they do not match. When they don't match, first the CD4 encounters the MCH2 and realizes there's no match, so nothing ends up happening. Look, we can witness this reaction right over here. There's a triangular TCR and a circular antigen. They realize that they do not match and nothing happens. They just keep going. When the APC cell finally does find a Th1 cell to match up with, the first introduction is with the CD4. Then they realize they match and they bind together and cytokines are secreted to stimulate the proliferation. We can witness this right over here. As you can see that they match up, the CD4 first touches, they realize they match, then they bind together and eventually start releasing the cytokines, which will then stimulate proliferation.
Through proliferation, differentiation is achieved by some of the cells being cloned and put into memory, so later on, if a same antigen comes around, it will be able to react rapidly.
The T cells that aren't put into memory cells but are put into cloning actually produce cytokines such as interleukin-2 that actually stimulate the TC cells to activate them. Once the TC cells are activated, they actually leave the lymph nodes after becoming self-stimulated and look for viral APC cells. Once they connect and match with an APC cell, they will release Gran's enzymes and peripherins, which eventually will make the viral antigen APC cells self-destruct.
This just in, from 4122 Westview Road, Northeast Baltimore, there was a killing by a man named Carmine that was a TC cell. It was actually punching holes using peripherin into the APC cell and killed it.
But she blinded me with science. She blinded me with science.